ngangibona ukuthi into ekuyena phakathi iyaphila. Ngangibona ukuthi lo muntu lento kuyena iyaphila. Kunomfana obesebenza kwi-embassy ngicela ungayisho la embassy soke abe expose ngoba mhlawumbe yena umuntu omnyama. Asike singayisho ngoba yaphesheya. Ethi babudokotela le embassy na he is supposed to be a driver. Kodwa namhlanje usasiza ema-office umuntu ohola ngempela odrivela labantu laba abasebenza ku-embassy. Kodwa yena basamtreat njengomuntu osebenzela office. Ngenxa ukuthi ngambona ukuthi unento anayo ephilayo. Athi babudokotela this is what I want. Angizeli uzothwala but this is what. And he called me emethi babudokotela ngiyahamba ngiyaphesheya. I'm no longer getting this opportunity to drive and the embassy is taking me to overseas countries. Sengizothi mebehamba beyaphesheya ngihamba nabo kanjalo angisasali kubona. Engisifuna ukuthi besize umuntu okuleyo nto leyo. Ngoba ngifuna wazi ukuthi anyone who is holding you down when the time is right the surface will crack. When it cracks you will prosper. What ngithini? When it cracks you will prosper. This is Babu Dotel Bowisos Bocha mfana mhlanje ekhehle ngizolo amancisi. Ngoba ngizama ukuyibulala lento ukuthi in order for you to be escaping poverty hamba uthwala ngani ngoba awunayo imali yokuthwala. Ake sikhulume ngawe ngento esazi ukuthi